Tonight on the 10 o'clock news, a religious community is fighting back against both Florida's 15-week abortion ban and the Supreme Court overturning of the Roe v. Wade ruling. A lawsuit filed out of South Florida says the Supreme Court decision violates Jewish beliefs. News4Jax reporter Marilyn Parker joins us live. Marilyn, lawsuits are being filed around the country right now to try and restore abortion rights.
Right, but this specific lawsuit says Florida's 15-week ban against abortions is blocking and denying religious freedom. Now, they're not just looking for exceptions for their religion, but they want to throw the whole law out. Roe v. Wade overturning was bound to be met with opposition. In Florida, a 15-week abortion ban went into effect Friday, but is facing an injunction from a Leon County judge and other lawsuits. This one, filed in early June on behalf of the Jewish community and others, says Florida's law wishes to impose their religious views upon all others who they consider morally inferior. We spoke with an OBGYN out of Miami who knows this lawsuit and says it's for religious freedom.
So they're basically discriminating against people who are they might not be religious, or they might be from another religion.
The lawsuit says in Jewish law, abortion is required if necessary to protect the health, mental, or physical well-being of the woman. And under traditional Jewish law, life begins at birth. If a fetus poses a threat to the health or emotional well-being of the mother, the law requires the mother abort the pregnancy. The doctor says the difference between mortality rates before and after Roe v. Wade is staggering.
In 1965, the numbers were that 17% of all deaths due to pregnancy occur from illegal abortions. Now, because abortions are legal, only 0.3% of patients who get a legal abortion will have a complication. Go to a hospital, and most of the time, they don't die. We just deal with the complication. So it's very unnerving that our patients are going to wait to seek help.
Florida law says a woman can get an abortion after 15 weeks if it's necessary to save the woman's life, or if two physicians say the fetus has a fatal fetal abnormality. The lawsuit says not allowing Jews to make their own decisions regarding abortions threatens the lives, equality, and dignity of Jewish women. The law also mentions how they feel this not only violates Floridians who don't share those religious views, but it also is for those Jewish folks and everybody else who they feel disagree with this law. Reporting live tonight, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.
Well, Marilyn, we've heard about some companies that are providing financial help to women who still want to find an abortion in a different state. Is this happening in the Jewish community that you're hearing?
It is. The National Council for Jewish Women has an Access Abortion Foundation set up. Here's everything that it funds. So you can get travel help with from whatever state that you live in. They will help in your travel to get you to where you need to go. The money also goes towards a hotline that is provided across the country, and it gives information on access to abortions. And they will also help pay for abortions at abortion-approved clinics. All that information can be found on news4jax.com coming up tonight.
Thank you, Marilyn Parker, joining us live. We appreciate it, Marilyn. Thank you.